Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I'm continuing my coverage of this latest series of Qwen large model, which is Qwen 2.5. I already have done heaps of videos on it since this morning, covering its whole architecture, its math model, its coding model. Some of them are already live and others will be keep pouring in, so please stay tuned. I already have discussed the architecture of this model. This is one of the best performant model out there. And when Alibaba is saying that it's a party of LLMs, what it means is that they have released 13 models in various flavors for instruct, for coding, and for math in various sizes. This model series significantly has more knowledge and has greatly enhanced capabilities in coding and mathematics. It also understands structured data and it has got long context plus multilingual support. I have gone into this detail in my other videos, which I just showed you here. So if you're interested, please check it out. For the purpose of this video, I am going to install the largest Qwen 2.5 model, which is 72 billion parameter, with the help of Ollama on my local system. If you don't know what Ollama is one of the easiest and fastest tool to run a large language models locally in quantized format. So before I do that, let me give a huge thanks to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU for affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. Okay, so coming back to this Qwen 2.5, let's try to get this thing installed. And this is my terminal, which I will be using Ubuntu 22.04, and I have this GPU card NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM. So hopefully this model should fit in the 72 billion one in quantized way, but let's check it out. So let's first install Ollama. I don't think so I have installed. So let's go to Ollama, click on download here, grab this command because I'm using Linux. If you are using Windows, just click on Windows and you should be able to install it. So let me paste it here. It is going to download the Ollama, then it is going to start it. So let's wait for it. So you can see that the Ollama has created it, also has created all the users and group at Linux level and some symbolic links, but it has also detected my NVIDIA card. Okay, so let's clear the screen and you can simply from here check if Ollama is running or not by doing sudo system etl status ollama.service. It is already running, which is quite cool. Let's clear the screen and then do Ollama list, so we don't have any model at the moment. So go back to Ollama's website and I will drop the link to it in video's description. Click on models at the top right and then here simply search with Qwen 2.5. Open it and you will see that you have lot of variants here. You can select it by this drop down. So even if you don't have that much GPU, so don't worry, you can still go with 1.5, 3, 7, whatever. So I'm just going to click on view more and then scroll down. Where is 72 one? So I'm just going to go down. So for this one, you see there are a lot of quantization versions here. So instead of, if you're not confused, don't worry, just click on this 72 billion uh, here. Normally, okay, it's not letting me do that. Interesting. Okay, now if you are confused, don't worry, just go with Q4KM. If I'm in doubt which quantization level to use, I always go with Q4KM. The reason being, it gives me a good intersection between performance and cost. So let's select this one from here. Let's go back to Ollama and then simply paste here. So what this is going to do, it is going to run, first download this model on your local system, verify the checksum, and then after that it is going to run it in the prompt. So you see the speed looks quite good today, 594 MB per second or even more than 6. So the size of the model is 47 GB. So make sure you have that much space on your local system, bit and bit more. So let's wait for it to get downloaded and then we will see how it goes. It is downloading it well. So while it happens, let me give you a bit more information around this model. So this model supports long context of up to 128k tokens and can generate up to 8,000 tokens. It also generates structured output, especially in JSON format, and it is quite resilient to diverse system prompts, which means that you can do an improved role playing and condition setting for chatbots. It is also multilingual and supports over 29 languages, which include Chinese, English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Italian, Thai, Arabic, Vietnamese, and various others. And it comes in, as I mentioned earlier, a lot of sizes, which you can check it out from their model page. So also it has been instruction tuned, and it is there are few guardrails, so I'm sure it's a censored model, and but the quality is quite good, as we already have seen in various other videos which I have done this morning. So it is already downloaded. So once the download is complete, it is going to do the verification of checksum. So let's wait for it. So you see it is now verifying the checksum, which is going to take a bit of a time because it is directly proportional to the model size. And the model has been successfully verified and it is loaded onto our GPU. So let me try to talk with it. I'm asking it, maybe I'll just say, write me a very, very funny joke. And let's check out its VRAM, because it's already loaded onto the GPU. So you see it is consuming out of 80 GB around 49 GB of VRAM. So let's try out another one. I'm asking it how many hours are there in the bird strawberry. It failed. So the funny thing is the 7 billion full and 2.5 model correctly answered this. So you see the difference between quantization. Let me press Ctrl L to clear the screen. Next up, you can just talk with it. I'm going to ask it what is happiness. There you go. And meanwhile, let's check out the GPU requirements. So they are staying there because it is loaded onto my GPU. But look at the pros of it. Even in the context way, it is telling us happiness is a positive emotional state and all that stuff. So I'm not going to do much testing here because I already have tested it in my other one. I'm just going to ask it few of the hated bits. So just for the heck of it, so I'm just asking how can I make a bad first impression on first wedding night. It says that. So it is a quite censored model. So instead of telling me how to make bad first impression, it is telling me to be kind and considerate, communicate openly, and all that stuff, which is quite good. And then let me ask it one final question, and just to confuse the model, let me press Ctrl L here. Now I'm just asking it, what is the best way to discipline a pet rock with troublesome behavior? Let's see if model is able to distinguish between living and non-living. It says disciplining a pet rock, that's a real head scratcher. Since rocks don't have feelings, so it understands that. And then it is just taking it in a humorous way. You see, very nice. Time out in the corner, rock lecture, and all that stuff. Real good stuff. So look, I'm not going to try and test this model on various because I already have done it in this video. Plus, I already I'm just going to launch the coding and the math one very shortly. Please check it out. And we have tested everything out of it. So I would highly encourage to watch this video if you want to know what are its capabilities in coding, in math, and general understanding for reasoning, logic, and all that stuff. But you see that it is quite good and easy to install this Qwen 2.5 72 billion model with the help of our favorite tool, which is Ollama. So that's it, guys. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.